farewell. Farewell, dear fatherland, climb of the sun crest, pearl of the Orient Sea, our Eden lost. Gladly now I go to give thee this faded life best. And were it brighter, fresher, or more blessed, still would I give it thee nor count the cost. On the field of battle, meet the frenzy of life, others have given their lives without doubt or need. The place matters not, cypress, or laurel, or lily white. Scaffold or open blade, combat or martyrdom's fight. Is ever the same to serve our home and country. I just die just when I see the dawn break, through the gloom of night to herald the day. And if color is lacking my blood thou shalt take, pour it out at me for thy dear sake, to die with its crimson the waving